Tobacco use increases your risk of tooth loss as well as cavities. For a variety of reasons, the tobacco will dry out the mouth and increase the acid production in the mouth, which will lead to increased risk of cavities. And it also leads to increased risk of periodontitis, which is an inflammation of the gums, the bone, and the ligament that attaches the tooth to the bone. And this is important because if you're not getting circulation to that area, the body can't heal. And so over time, it just leads to tooth loss, which of course then negatively impacts your nutrition over time. And so it's just kind of a vicious cycle. So definitely recommend talking to your dentist or even your healthcare provider about ways to stop the use of tobacco products. Right now, there's a high incidence of people switching to vaping for tobacco use, which is kind of perceived as more healthy. The only studies that have been released about the effects of vaping on the oral cavity are that it increases risk of cavities because the oil that is used in these vapes is highly acidic. And so we're seeing a lot of effects on the teeth themselves and on the oral tissues. I wouldn't take a risk with something that is so new on my overall health, let alone the effects on the oral cavity.